Hey guys, finally he sleeps here, back in again with another Project S10 video. Today we're going to be putting a set of headlights on the Project S10 just because I've had them for about a year and we still haven't put them on. So there's the front end. The lowers, the turn signals have all been swapped out to clear, but the headlights are looking pretty old and we've got a brand new set that we're going to be putting in. Here is the new set that we're going to drop in to replace the old headlights. We've already swapped out the markers, but these are halos and projector. So we'll see how easy this goes on this old truck. Taking these things out is super simple. There are just two tabs here, and all you do is pull it up and it pops off. And then that releases that tab at the bottom. You do the same thing on both sides. And then they are released. There's a hook in the bottom and then the whole thing just comes out. All right, so the old one is unclipped. Now these headlights that we have are pretty much plug and play, pretty much. The halos and stuff have to be wired up. We're gonna run those through the marker lights, but this stuff, it's just a matter of plugging everything in. So we're gonna test them out here just by plugging in the stock ports to see. All right, so the halos on these, the ring around here, you're gonna wanna wire that up so that it comes on when your marker lights are on. So what we did is there is a transformer and we tied in to the green and brown with the positive and negative here on the marker light, out of the marker light. So not the blue is the relay. That has to do with when the turn signal is on and it blinks. So we just tied those two wires in to here, and because it doesn't really matter which one's negative and which one's ground, we just hooked one up to the green and one up to the brown, and now we have halos are working. So there it is, same as the marker. All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna swap out the headlight to more of a high cool blue look. Highs are fine. I think I'm just gonna swap out the headlight. I like the halo opposite of the projector though. So once we get a cool blue headlight in, it'll look good. So that it matches the halo. Good stuff. Easy. Now it's just a matter of adjusting the headlight so that it is aimed where we want it. And the adjustments on there are same as the stock. It's just, there's one here, there's one down here, and one underneath. So, and you just twist those with a screwdriver and then adjust the mounting. Easy.